Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg culambu. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, 2 large onions, and 3 ripe tomatoes, all ready for preparation. Also, have 1 tablespoon each of fresh ginger and garlic paste. Don't forget 1 cup of creamy coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Finally, measure out 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, turmeric, and coriander powder for that perfect flavor balance. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build the flavorful base for our culambu. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a sturdy pan over a steady medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Next, introduce the ginger and garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they become wonderfully soft and mushy, forming a rich foundation. With our base ready, it's time to infuse it with aromatic spices. Add the chili, turmeric, and coriander powders to the pan, cooking them for about 2 minutes while stirring constantly to prevent burning. This step deepens their flavor. Next, pour in 1 cup of rich coconut milk and half a cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For the grand finale, carefully place your 6 hard-boiled eggs into the simmering culambu, ensuring they are well coated. Let it simmer for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the eggs to absorb the delicious flavors and heat through. Finally, garnish your exquisite egg culambu generously with fresh cilantro. Serve it piping hot with steamed rice or warm roti for a truly satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.